If you're an avid reader, Goodreads is an amazing social media platform you should check out. You can find great book recommendations and reviews, share what books you've read or are currently reading and what you think of them, and more. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Goodreads account. Now let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and go to goodreads.com. Now enter your name, email address, and a password you'd like to use for your account. When you're done, click Sign Up. To easily find your friends on Goodreads, you can import contacts from your Facebook or Gmail accounts if you'd like. If not, click Skip this step. If you'd like to set a goal for how many books you'd like to read this year, type in a number in the text box and click Take the Challenge. If you don't want to, you can skip this step as well. Now select some of your favorite book genres. Click the checkbox next to all the genres you typically go for, then click Continue at the bottom. Next, you'll be prompted to rate books you've read. The options that appear are based on the genres you selected in the previous step. If you want to find a specific book to rate, you can select a genre from the menu on the left, or search for a specific title or author. When you see a book you've read before, click a star below it according to the rating you'd like to give it from 1 to 5. If you see a book you haven't read but are interested in, click Want to Read to add it to your to-read list. When you're done, scroll back to the top and click I'm finished rating. Once you've rated more than 20 books, Goodreads will be able to provide you with recommendations on books they think you'd like based on the ratings you've given to other books. After that, you're all set to start using Goodreads. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.